Hi, my name is Tim, and I have the YouTube channel Off-Road Outposts. I do overlanding on my free time. My full-time job, though, is being a firefighter. As well as you can see, I'm with Onyx Off-Road and was selected to be part of their 50 wrapped fleet. So we'll start here on my wheels. I'm running 20-inch bronze AXD wheels, and I've got them wrapped in the Mickey Thompson Baja Legends. They're a mud-terrain, all-terrain tire. I don't have a whole lot of knowledge about them so far other than what the research I've done, but I just drove from Colorado to Arizona, and they rode pretty nice. Road noise wasn't too bad. A little wobbly at higher speeds, but nothing crazy. Going up here, I've just got some knockoff Baja lights there, and underneath those lights I'm running a top line roof rack. I went with that one because I didn't want to have to drill into my roof. It's a clamp system, but it works really well. The box that I've got up top is OVS 117 quart, and then for my power I'm running a Blue Eddy. Back this way I got a Top Oak 270. It's a standalone system. You don't have to put the poles down, but when you're windy like it is today, I put it down just for safety measures. It does have its own integrated light system that runs off of a cell phone battery pack, and it will run for hours. I've got some roto packs for fuel and water, as well as my MSCR locking clamps. And I'm running some chase lights that are currently white. They will be yellowed out shortly. One of my favorite and cheapest add-ons to my rig is this Beaver box here. It sits behind the wheel well, comes completely out. I store all my recovery gear, stuff for my awning, and then repair stuff for my tent itself. It's pretty nice. Once you're done, you just push it closed, locks right in, pretty secure, doesn't rattle. It's pretty sweet. I forgot to mention my bed rack is a Navier. It's a brand off of Amazon. I found it and went with this one because it's an adjustable rack, and with me running a full-size 2020 GMC, I needed something that would go the width that I needed. It's pretty nice. It's got MOLLE paneling on both sides, and it's got a ladder system if you needed it. Coming around to the other side, I'm running it's a Bear Paw Expedition. It's a company that used to be out of Palisade, Colorado. They're no longer in business, but essentially this is the extra large Smitty built tent. Had to stake it down because it got a little windy, but up inside it's the measurements are basically a king size bed. Here's a better view of that OVS 117 quart box. Eventually I will get the proper mounts for it. I'm just waiting for OVS to get them in stock. But the box, I'm able to store all of my sleeping bags, my pillows, things of that nature in there, and it seals just fine.
So let's go ahead and go and check it out inside.
Go check out the inside of my tent, yeah. I haven't made my bed yet. So for this one, it comes with a 3-inch pad. I did add an additional pad because I've got an old back, but it's pretty roomy. It even has a moon screen there, so you can still see the stars when you're sleeping. It has access points on all 4 sides, as well as netting. And the cool thing that I liked about this one is the flaps on the outside are weighted, so when you undo them, they drop and you can zip them up. Come back out. Oh, and on the inside, I've got these little lights that I found on Amazon. They have little clips on them, and they hang up inside, and they're actually USB powered, and one little light is 1 inch by 1 inch, and it lights up the whole tent. And I took it out for like a week, and it stayed charged the entire time, so it was pretty sweet. On the inside, truck's a little messy because we just got set up at camp. So I run a handheld Bofeng GMRS radio. I'm waiting on my bullet point mount to come in, but I run an aux beam toggle there for all my lights. I didn't want to drill into my dash, so I left it a standalone currently. And then the monitor that you see on the right hand side is so I can watch little man in the back seat. It's pretty sweet little gadget there. We can go off-roading together. I can see him on video, see if he's awake, if he's sleeping, make sure nothing's going wrong. I can watch it all there on my dash. Of course, as every overlander does, we've got patches. And I just picked up, I don't know, 100 more, 150. And the one thing that I'd really like to touch on is this wrap. It was done by Nick at NC Auto, and he did a phenomenal job. I can't thank him enough for the craftsmanship and the time that he put into it to make it look as great as it does. Let me show you just what I'm talking about. Right here on the tailgate, you can see he went from the lower tailgate to the middle tailgate to even over my emblems to get all the topographical to line up. And he just did a phenomenal job. So if you're looking to get a wrap done, Nick at NC Auto in Grand Junction, Colorado is the guy to go to. That QR code there will get you 50% off, and that's for the premium or the elite Onyx Off-Road. So if you're in the market to get it, or if you're about to renew, this code specifically will get you 50% off. And yeah, pretty sweet deal. So make sure like and subscribe to the channel, this channel, and you can find me on YouTube at Off-Road Outposts. You can also find me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I drive a full-size 2020 GMC 2500. I do everything full-size overlanding. And if you can't find me on my socials, you can find me on the trails. As Onyx Off-Road says, go farther, and as I say, get out there.